Road Warriors, Season 3 is upon us. Within 24 hours, we will be racing. If your car breaks down in this season, you will be required to rent a wreck. Big Nige and Kev have been working day and night to bring you some of the finest rent-a-wrecks you've seen on Mount Western Raceway. If your car breaks down, you will go into an automatic draw, and whichever car is picked with your name, you will be driving this for the rest of the season. Good luck, Road Warriors. I hope your car doesn't break down. I look forward to the 230 races ahead of us. Catch you later.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.